Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am usually always recording. I record like 4 days out of the week. I'm editing and I'm usually ahead. So I've had some issues. Um, I wouldn't say issues. I've had a death in the family and it's been kind of crazy. So now I'm back recording and I'm just super excited. And this is like my therapy. So I'm really happy to be back in the studio, play with makeup, and talk to you guys today. So today I'm going to use the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. I have used this once before. If you haven't seen it in my video, I will link that video below. This eyeshadow palette has some super cute, just pretty easy colors, and I'm going to be playing with those today. So if you haven't, hit that subscribe button below. Go to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. All my links will be below. And let's just jump in. Let's have a fun get ready with me. Let's chat about the makeup. Let's chat about life. Let's chat about everything. Jump into the business. Don't mind my fingernails. I have not had time to take the fingernail polish off, paint them, all of that jazz. It has just been a crazy week, you guys. So much is going on, and I don't know, it's just wild. The first thing that I went in with is always the Master Prime primer. This is the primer and base, so this is the Blur and Smooth one. For some reason today, that was super greasy on my face. And it's super greasy on my fingers. That's how I know it's not my face. And then I'm going to go in with, for foundation and concealer, go in with the All Great, All Knowing, I love this, swear by it, the Born This Way foundation and concealer. Foundation and concealer. Foundation and concealer. I'm going to go in with this Sona Cascade brush. This is the flat top foundation brush. So the death in my family, if you don't follow me on my normal socials, it was my grandmother. And, you know, it's pretty bittersweet because she has been ready to go dance with the Lord up above for a very long time. So, I mean, everyone is sad, but we're really happy for her because that's all she's wanted. There's no baby here tonight. He is at his Mimi's. Shout out to Mimi. These past few weeks have been so crazy. I have not even been shopping at all. Like, today I went to the dollar store and got laundry soap. I got not Tide Pods, I got little fabric softener things. And I got some Glade candles. That is the first shopping I have done in literal weeks. That is crazy. Okay, and this is gonna get really personal, you guys, but I believe in full transparency. I believe, so if you're on my personal social, I posted this today. You know, I have a couple of people in my life who are like seriously going through it. And you know, life is not easy. And I definitely believe that sometimes people just need a little pick me up, like, hey, I'm thinking of you. I'm a firm believer in telling people how much you love them while you can. Tomorrow is never promised. I am also a believer in letting people know you're thinking of them, telling them you're proud of them, or simply just letting people know you care. It does way more than you think it does. And so this morning, I've kind of been in a rut the past couple of weeks. I've had a lot going on, like I've said. And I just kind of texted a couple of people, let them know that I'm thinking of them, but that we all know life's not easy, that you will get through it. So that's welcome to my TED Talk, you guys. That's just kind of what I've been thinking about today. I'm gonna go with the Steve Laurent brush, this Steve Laurent blush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Rose All Day. I love them. My first video back in a long time, and I'm really sad because this chaos happened right when there was a contest. James Charles is doing a micro beauty influencer contest where he was gonna let people in and they were gonna judge, and the winner went up to $50,000. And I was really excited. I was like, ooh, I'm going to record, I'm gonna do this, this is gonna be awesome. And I didn't do it because I didn't have the motivation to sit down. But I'm here, I'm sitting here. My rut is over. And I'm just excited. I'm just happy to be back in the game. So let me kind of touch on that. The rut that I have been in is kind of crazy. I wouldn't say it's like all of the time, but it happens like every couple of months. Situational depression is real, y'all. And I would definitely say that seasonal depression is real too, because I've been struggling. I wouldn't say necessarily so much seasonal as like depressional. Um, but I get in these ruts where I'm just like not happy, like nothing goes right. And I was actually kind of starting to get worried because, you know, usually they last like a week. Well, the one, the most it's ever lasted is a week. And this one lasted almost a month. So, but I've also had a lot going on and like it's like thing after thing after thing. So I can understand. But I am happy that it's over. I woke up this morning and I was like, I don't feel like I used to. Okay, so I'm super excited because I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow palette. And it's got a nice mirror on it, so I will be using this mirror today. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5. There's 10 shades in here. Very simple, simple name, straight to the point. Cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose, plumberry, cinnamon black. Just kind of tap some concealer right on my eyelid to conceal the lid. Okay, what's everybody's plans for the holidays? So my family does their own thing, like, and then we kind of get into together later. And James's family does stuff on the actual holiday, and I love going. Like, I love my family, you know, but I really love James's family too. Yeah, like I get along with almost everybody in James's family. Um, and James and I will have been together 4 years in May, and we have obviously Alex is both of ours. So I don't. I'm to the point now where like I call James's mom like my mother-in-law. James is my father-in-law. His grandma is my grandma. I call Jody my aunt, Crystal my aunt, everybody. I'm gonna go in with this big fluffy brush from no, this big fluffy brush from Real Techniques. I'm gonna dip it into some translucent powder and set my face. All right, some gold on. I'm gonna go big or go home, right? So I'm gonna move this closest into my tear duct. You so pretty, like model, like cheerleader, like something pretty. I am super excited for the holidays. I love family time. I love, you know, just like holiday cheer. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I rock Gucci. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna put this pink shade directly under my eyelid. I'm gonna go into the shade Plumberry. This just doesn't want to come off this brush. I'll go in with the Hank and Henry um, mascara. I love this mascara. If you haven't seen the link below, I'll drop it to this video because it does have a smaller brush for your lower lash line and then your upper lash line. Okay, guys, let me know. Sound off below. Are eyelash extensions worth it? Somebody that I went to school with, Christine, I will link her Facebook and her Instagram below. She does lashes, and she does a really good job. So I'm interested to see. I mean, obviously, like I would go to her if I did do them, because her work is great, and I have never seen anyone complain about her work. But I'm just wondering if like eyelash extensions are worth the money and like and not just like by certain like a certain person. I'm not asking you if you've had your lashes done by Christine if they're worth it. I'm really asking like would you get any kind of eyelashes by anybody? And I'm all for supporting your locals, so that's why I will drop Christine's links below. Now on to the lips, to the lips, to the lips. everything you own in a box to your lips. So I'm gonna try this color. I don't know how well this will go with this look, but this is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy. This is the 430 Dominant shade. Ooh. And that is the shade. Let's see. That is like one of the things you do not do. You do not leave it out this far. Push it a little bit farther. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl, look at this lip. Girl, girl, girl. I'm gonna go with the famous Morphe setting spray. Okay, let's see what people are saying about my lips. Brianna said that it is Barbie doll pink. Long story short, I had some issues with my phone plan, so I got on a new phone plan, got a new phone, and I made a big switch from Apple to Android. So I'm really loving the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I have no complaints about it so far. I've only had it for a day, but I really, really like it. And my camera does everything that the new iPhone 11 does. All right, you guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This lipstick, honey, I kind of like it. I don't know if it really goes with this look, but I really kind of love it. Under the brows with some highlight. Ooh, I am sorry that I have been absent, but I'm so excited to be back with you guys for new videos Tuesday, Thursday, 4 p.m. I think our time zone is Eastern Central or something, 4 p.m. So I will drop everything below that you need to know, links to the old videos, my links to socials, all of that, and I'll talk to you guys soon.